Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AC Bay Designs. On this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful gift bag or drawstring bag. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe after watching, like and then comment in the comment section. Please, let's get started. Okay, so these are the materials I'll be needing for my drawstring bag or gift bag. My African fabric, my bias, tailor shock, scissors, and then tape measure. So let's get started. Please, we have the fabric pieces of 18 by 22 inches. 18 by 22 inches. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do is to fold it into two this way, making sure you are folding it on the 18 inches rather. After folding it on it like this, you are going to stitch half an inch downwards and then half an inch at the hem area, leaving the top part open. So please, this is what you'll be having after stitching along the selvage. Okay, so leaving the top area opened. Please, at this point we are going to fold it out this way. Let the folded part be 3.5 inches. Okay, so this is a 3.5 inches. What I'm going to do next is to fold in half an inch like this all round, then you will stitch along the folded area all along this way. Okay, after stitching all round at where it was folded, we then came back half an inch and then we stitched all round again. Okay, so we then turn to the right side. At this point, what you're about to do next is to create a small hole here, then a small hole here too. You create the same thing here, a small hole here and then a small hole here. Okay, so this is it. After creating the holes in the pieces this way, it is going to enable us pass our bias through it. Okay, so this is how the bias is. You will then fold the bias into two this way and then you stitch all along. Before you get the bias, the measurements of the bias we need, you just fold the bias into two this way, then you place it at the very edge here, leaving some amount of bias out this way. So after getting it like this, you see when we pass through the bias into, you are going to pull it, so you get excessive remaining here. Okay, so this is it. You are going to cut two of this. You are going to cut two of this. This is it after creating our bias. So it is two. What we are going to do next is to use our safety pin to enable us pass the bias through this hole all round to this side. So when we pass the bias through this hole, it is going to come out from this hole. So this is how it is going to be like. Okay, please, this is it. This is what you'll be having. The next thing we are going to do is to work here. So the same thing we are going to repeat at the other side of our bag. So this is it. It's like vice versa. This is it after working on it. Okay, so we passed the bias through here all round, and then it came out from this place. Now we came to the other side also. We passed through the bias through this place all round, and then it came out from this place. Afterwards, our bag is ready. We will just pull it this way, then we have our drawstring bag or gift bag ready. Good. Please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and then comment in the comment section. Please share to friends as well, or recommend my channel to any friend of yours. See you all in our next video. Bye.